Hi all, in the today video tutorial I am going to show IFS function in Microsoft Excel. In Microsoft Excel, before we use the any function, we should understand the syntax of that function. This is the syntax of IFS function. So here we can write total 127 conditions. Here the example. If the logical test 1 a is equal to 100. If the value is true, system should write 100. In the second condition, a2 is equal to 200. If the value is true, system should write 200. So in this way, we can write 127 conditions in ifs function. The ifs function checks one or more conditions and returns a value that corresponds to the first true condition. Ifs can take the place of multiple nested if function and is much easier to read with multiple condition. And this ifs function is only available in Office 365 subscription and Excel 2019. In the Excel sheet, we have the four columns: client name, due amount, and collection. So in the status cell, I want to write the logical test. So we are comparing the C2 cell with B2 cell. Now we can write the ifs function. Just enter is equal to, enter if yes, just press tab key. System automatically selects the ifs function. Now write the first logical test. First logical test I'm going to write B2 is equal to 0. Enter comma. If B2 is equal to 0, I want to write some value. Enter double quotes. Enter no due. Close double quotes. When the B2 is equal to 0, I want to write no due. Just enter comma. Now I'm entering the second logical test. Second logical test is C2 greater than B2. Now enter comma. This is the second logical test. If second logical test is true, I want to write partial paid. Just enter double quotes. Enter partial paid. Close double quotes. Now enter comma. Now I'm writing third logical test. If C2 is greater than B2, enter comma, enter double quotes. I'm going to write more paid. Close double quotes. Now enter comma. I'm going to write fourth logical test. C2 is equal to 0. If C2 is equal to 0, I want to write, enter double quotes, 0 paid. If this condition is satisfied, I want to write 0 paid. Close the double indented comma, enter comma. Now final logical test I'm going to enter. If C2 equals to B2, enter comma, enter double quotes, fully paid. Close the double quotes, close the bracket, press enter key. Yes. So now keep cursor on this, just double click on this small square. So system rates everything automatically. Okay, so here just observe the all the values are coming fine except this value. So here I written if the C2 is equal to 0, it should write 0 paid, but it is writing partial paid. So just debug it from beginning. So just check. So beginning condition is not satisfied. Second condition is satisfied. Check the third condition, F9. Third condition also not satisfied. Fourth condition is satisfied. Fifth condition. So fifth condition, just press F9 key. Fifth condition also not satisfied. So two conditions are satisfied. So system rating the first condition. That is the reason instead of 0 paid, it is rating the partial paid. To correct it, we need to correct it. So just go to the first cell, just press F2 key. Here, if it is equals to 0, just enter. So remove the B2, enter 0. Here, instead of partial, remove it partial, enter 0. And go here, enter C2 is less than B2, write partial paid. Okay, now press enter key. Just double click on this small square. Yes, now condition is satisfied. Now, now we can check the IFS function in example 2. Enter is equal to, enter IFS function, press tab key, enter the first logical test B2 equals to 100, enter comma, enter double quotes, enter 100, close the double quotes, enter comma, enter second logical test B2 equals to 200, enter comma, enter double quotes, enter 200, close the double quotes, close the bracket, press enter key. Just double click on this small square. But here system rating NA. Why? Because we can debug it. So we will come to know what is the reason why it is rating NA. So just select this value, press F9. So first condition is false. Select this value, press F9. Second condition also false. There is no true condition here. That is the reason system rating NA here. So we can correct it. Just keep cursor on the C2 cell, press F2 key, remove the bracket, enter comma, enter true, enter comma, enter double quotes, enter double quotes, close the bracket, press enter key. Yes, now it is corrected. So but here system not rating anything. Why? Because we are not enter the any text in the double quotes. Okay, so now we can enter some text. Press F2, enter greater than 100, close the double quotes, close the bracket, press enter key. Double click on the small square. Yes, it is satisfied. Now I'm going to write one more uh, row here. Just enter 175. Just press Ctrl D. Yes, it is also satisfied. That's it today tutorial. Please download the practice Excel sheet in video description. Thank you.